Want to run a poll for your coworkers on Slack, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a poll on Slack. Now let's get started. You can easily run a poll without having to install any additional apps, just by using emoji reactions. Begin composing a new message in the channel or group chat where you'd like to run your poll. Add your question and any additional information. Then, list below the options for your poll and indicate emojis that your teammates should use to cast their votes. You can use emojis that relate to the specific options, or even number your options and use the number emojis to vote with. When your teammates view your poll, they can use the emoji reaction feature to vote for the option they like the most. That's all it takes to run a poll on Slack. Want to try out the Slack mobile app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.